Processor function and structure. Processor function and structure. A processor, also known as a central processing unit, CPU, is a crucial component of a computer system. It performs the majority of the calculations and executes instructions necessary for the operation of software applications. The function and structure of a processor can be summarized as follows. Function of a processor. Fetch. The processor fetches instructions from memory, which are stored as binary code. It retrieves the next instruction to be executed. Decode. The fetched instruction is decoded to determine the operation to be performed and the operands involved. Execute. The processor carries out the operation specified by the decoded instruction. This may involve arithmetic calculations, logical operations, data movement, or control flow changes. Memory access. The processor may need to access memory to retrieve data or store results during the execution of instructions. Write back. The final step involves writing the results of the executed instruction back to memory or registers. Structure of a processor. Control unit. CU. The control unit coordinates the activities of the processor. It generates control signals that direct the flow of data and instructions within the processor. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. The ALU performs arithmetic calculations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and logical operations, such as AND, OR, and NOT, required by the instructions. Registers. Registers are small, high-speed memory locations within the processor. They store data, instructions, and intermediate results during the execution of instructions. Common types of registers include the program counter, PC, instruction register, IR, and general-purpose registers, GPRs. Cache memory. Cache memory is a small, fast memory located close to the processor. It stores frequently accessed instructions and data to reduce the time taken to fetch them from main memory. Bus interface unit, BIU. The BIU manages the communication between the processor and other components of the computer system, such as memory and input-output devices. It controls the transfer of data and instructions over the system bus. Clock. The clock provides timing signals that synchronize the activities of the processor. It ensures that instructions are executed in a controlled and sequential manner. It's important to note that the specific structure and features of a processor can vary depending on the architecture and design. Different processor architectures, such as x86, ARM, or RISC, have their own unique characteristics and instruction sets. Unfortunately, the search results provided by U.com do not contain specific information about the function and structure of a processor. However, the information provided above is based on general knowledge about processors. If you have any further questions or need more specific information, feel free to ask.